Kiladon kumbasan sepangut AA kiri teman lembat kitu kibadan jingduna hakit department. Kibala yuak jing mentoy de kitiar bikin penan kam kat kum ke jingdon kam hakamat ke jongki. Bat kata ke de lingba jong ke jingshim kia jong ke Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India ALIMCO jong ke tenak jong ke Empowerment of Persons with Disability Divyangjan na ke Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Ketika program bansam mi kitiar jingirap shikitu kiri temen lembat kitu ki badan jingduna hakit department lapenlong da ke jingitrelang ki borsenshar jong ke district ke ribhoi hakabala tibru ye kini ke program kum kata ke samajik adhikarita shivir bat kabala pelong ha block integrated development complex umling CNR di block. Ketika program ketika bala pelong menhenin ke singi ha umling ketika bala pelong haki hnyotli ki chaka haki district ha pokari India. Hakabala pelong kenang ye ketika program kalong ban pai khmat kerpang banirap nak benta ka jingdon kam jong kitu ki badan jingduna hakit department. Hakati ke singi bala pelong ye ketika program la sakhi de ka jingdon lang uba sostena sotun menteri ketenat CNRD bat ubadeiru MLA jong ke jirang kum ukongsan. Layo banya don ringkat ru ka kong rona khamdet ke badai ke MDC jong ke nongpo u Abhilash Baranwal ubadai deputy commissioner jong ke ribhai lembat ki we ki he sarkar.
Hearing handicapped and intellectually handicapped. Alimco is no citizen under the scheme of Government of India. Total 10.
Just from you. Yeah, from my.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Mubawanya bukti.
Lalu mungkin di Bangcel. Tolong beliau.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. I request all the guests to please.
That is organizing, and we are the luckiest district because it is included in one of the 75. Kini ke program Kepala Penlong Daka District Social Welfare ringkat Batka Alimco kini naga benca pengnoban ayah kita kijingerap kumki syuki kita ki wheelchair naga benca ki disabled person with disabilities nangta kumjuru yaki senior citizens. Ini ke program talong kapa gijimut hado kata-kata hakapa ka sorkar nado ka central government hado ka state government kidon ya kata ka thong naga benta kumno ban boy lane ban reach out shabaro ki citizens lane ki nong song song jong dari India bat haka jela kajungi hibrokoi. Isukumen hapang iyo menedon lang kum kadene ke program. Kade-kade sibenta ban aimen sim lane ka encouragement kumayong ba key person, able person or person with disabilities. Ngide ki priu, ngide ki jintau ki jong play, ngidon hakaju kabenta. Hakapa ngidon kam yek respect banyak purom mat kalian ke sorkar ke persangkat bala kumno ban lebha kumno ban yerap
dalam bakla mendai tang ya kibadon jingduna haki dokot met jongi ane kita ki disabled person and rei kanderu na kabanta ki senior citizen lane ya ki longkwa ki longmi ya ki nong shok nong jongi ki balakam san hakartamo ki badon kam ya ki nekitia ban kam pensuk ya ki hakalet kawan ngadang yo ban ya shok tai haswa ban sedang ya ke program iwan igong yong yang ngaruh kin ai konkret ia kan dia kesuki tambah iong tiap nganang ne yang ban pendon kam dengan harai we bala yo ya kamar hi we bala yo ka tiap te ban pendon kam tesu nang hi ka kateka kaneka wheelchair la ne kaneka tiap ka bagin ai ya phi la da phi la yo ban le ra yen phin sanang ban pendon kam ya ka ban ngasno ya ka ban ai ka burong ngaseu ban ai ka jinyaro ya kaneka alimko kaba day ka nodal agency kabala penpiat penbiang kabala no subha syabaro ki nong shong shnong ki jongi ki badon kam ya ki ne ki tiar ban kersyam yelade ban dak kapensuk ya ka let kawan ka jongpi na ai kuplei ru ya ki mayos madur pila ai ya ka jeng ruai ka pasno tenak pedeng lang jongi baro bat pila juruai ru akapor ka bangalek lane ngawan na kabanta ka election campaign hapo shnong jong pi hapo maulong kublei sibon ya pi mayos ngin tapet ya kador kadar ka jong pi pirwai mo kat bat ka jingkom yo i kikmat ten rei ka jinglong well qualified ka jong pi pikran bat ka kasi pikran bat ka pareng ngasau ba pim don chu ka jingtuna rei nga i ba pilok perfect pilok biang na dong shadong nakaliang gajonga hasil ban congratulate dia pi mayos pidonnya kasap ka bakar pange ka ba uplay ula ay pir kat bat kajing san kajingna nga ay kuplay lang ya baro ki balaya don benta. I give my special thanks to all people who have contributed for our disability person nakabenta gitu ki balaya no senyang ki balaya don benta lang kakti kamuan kakti katiang kajongpi ban ya don bentalang nak benta ban contribute ban ya no senyang lang nak benta ki nong shong shnong ki jongi ki badon ka jingtuna hati benta ki baper ban na tentu fan sa sisien ya pilang baro ki baralo nong shong shnong kamtam ki bahak apo ka umling blok ka jongi hang nem ba pien sim ya ka kabu ba pien sim ya kala lengba ka government of India kabala perkat kerpang kabala penmang kerpang ya kan deka skim na kabenta kajongi.
Proud moment for Libhoi that we are part of that 75 districts where this program is being hosted today collectively. So thank you Alimco for that. Simultaneously, but more than that, thank you Alimco for being so active in ensuring that the people with disabilities get their adequate support. They have conducted thorough assessments across the district. More than 2,000 beneficiaries have been identified, out of which almost 500 beneficiaries will be getting their aids and appliances today. and although it is being entirely funded by the Government of India, but Alimco as an organization is doing excellent work in taking the vision of the Government of India and Government of Meghalaya forward. So thank you. As Deputy Commissioner of the district, I convey my sincere thanks to you.
Relentlessly working for the welfare of senior citizens and Divyangjan. Every year, more than 5 lakh Divyangjan and senior citizens are being served by providing aids and assistive devices free of cost under various schemes of Government of India. One of the flagship scheme is ADP scheme, that is for
Hajing lauret nyesngau dubong manu manuan yara manu batin kiani batli kilat lenti handai dajing nyatre lang inong nyalang jemi lala bantung yangi kumju kumpitis evaluati Dajing kurit bagi lafai Rekam raman sangha Kiai kersian haki jingek Haki shitong shipa Kirtin kiti tibat yani Aman jingek isyam Yani wan ai bakun inok Hasih teng